Your home's doors do much more than provide an entrance. They help protect your family, improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and contribute to overall comfort. Over time, however, even well-built doors begin to show signs of wear and may no longer perform as they should. For homeowners in Loves Park, changing seasons, temperature fluctuations, and daily use can all affect the condition of an entry door. Recognizing the warning signs early can help prevent larger problems and ensure your home remains secure, comfortable, and attractive. Drafts and air leaks. One of the clearest signs that a door may need replacement is the presence of drafts. If you notice cold air entering during winter or warm air leaking inside during summer, your door may no longer seal properly. Worn weather stripping, gaps around the frame, or a warped door can allow outside air to enter the home. These air leaks can make nearby rooms uncomfortable and force your heating and cooling system to work harder, potentially increasing energy costs. Rising energy bills. Older doors often lose their insulating ability over time. If utility bills continue to rise without another obvious explanation, your entry door may be contributing to energy loss. Modern replacement doors feature insulated cores, improved weather seals, and energy-efficient materials that help reduce heat transfer. Upgrading to a new door can help improve comfort while supporting better energy efficiency throughout the year. Difficulty opening or closing. A properly functioning door should open and close smoothly. If your door sticks, drags against the floor, or becomes difficult to lock, it may indicate structural issues or years of wear. Shifting frames, moisture exposure, or aging materials can cause alignment problems. Ignoring these issues may eventually affect both security and daily convenience. Visible damage. Physical damage often signals that replacement should be considered. Common signs include cracks, dents, rust, rot, warping, peeling. Finishes. Damage not only affects appearance but can also reduce the door's ability to protect your home from weather and outside elements. Replacing a damaged door can restore both performance and curb appeal. Moisture and water problems. Water damage can shorten the life of a door. Signs such as soft spots, swelling, mold, or moisture around the frame may indicate that the door is no longer keeping water out effectively. Doors with glass inserts may also develop condensation between panes if seals fail. Addressing these issues early can help prevent additional damage to surrounding materials. Increased outside noise. An older door may provide less sound insulation than modern models. If traffic noise, neighborhood activity, or outdoor sounds become more noticeable inside your home, your existing door may not be providing adequate insulation. New doors often include improved materials and insulated cores that help reduce sound transmission and create a quieter indoor environment. Outdated appearance. Your front door plays a major role in your home's curb appeal. Faded finishes, worn hardware, and outdated styles can make the exterior look older than it actually is. Replacing the door provides an opportunity to update your home's appearance with modern designs, decorative glass, and attractive finishes. A new door can create a more welcoming entrance and improve overall curb appeal. Security concerns. Older doors may no longer provide the level of protection homeowners expect. Weak frames, worn materials, and outdated locking systems can reduce security. Modern replacement doors often feature stronger construction and improved locking technology that help protect your home. Improved security can provide greater confidence and peace of mind. Professional installation matters. Even the highest quality replacement door requires proper installation. Professional installation helps ensure proper alignment, tight weather seals, smooth operation, maximum energy efficiency, long-term performance. An experienced installer can help homeowners get the full value from their investment. A smart upgrade for Loves Park homes. Recognizing the signs of an aging door can help homeowners make timely improvements before small issues become larger problems. Drafts, visible damage, rising energy costs, and operating difficulties often indicate that replacement may be beneficial. For Loves Park homeowners, a new door can improve comfort, increase energy efficiency, enhance security, and boost curb appeal. With modern materials and professional installation, replacement doors offer lasting value and dependable performance for years to come.